Day 3 is here in our cybersecurity journey. If you want hands-on practice without risk, it starts with VirtualBox. Let's get it set up together. Want to run any operating system without buying a new computer? Here's how to get started in 60 seconds. Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. Today I am showing you how to install VirtualBox, your gateway to run multiple operating systems safely on one machine. For that, you need to follow some steps. Step 1, go to the virtualbox.org site. Type just virtualbox.org. You will get this site. Click on it and go to downloads. Here you can select which operating system you are. Like if you are a Windows user, click on it. It will automatically download. So it starts downloading. My file is downloaded. Click on it and just here the step 2 comes. Double click the downloaded file to launch the setup. Accept everything, so click on yes. Click next to accept the default options, like here. Next, everything is default, so click the next to accept the default options. You need to accept the terms. Click on next. You need to click on yes. You get all options. Next, and you need to install here. This is the step 3. You need to click install and let it finish the installation status. So after installation, you need to click on the next and launch the VirtualBox. My installation is completed, so I am clicking on finish. So we need to start the VirtualBox now. So it is automatically started after clicking on finish. Actually, I have already a previous version of VirtualBox, so I already extracted all kind of OSs here. So I extracted Kali, Parrot and everything. So step 4, we need to open it and click on a new. Here we get a new option here, so we need to click on here and we need to create the first virtual machine. That's our mission is for tomorrow. I will show you tomorrow how to add these all virtual machines to your VirtualBox. If you get an error about virtualization not enabled, restart your PC and turn on your virtualization in your BIOS settings. Don't forget to follow. Day 4 covers the networking basics behind every cyber attack.